Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be visiting the Surinamese kitchen again. So I will share with you how I make these super delicious Maizena cookies. For these cookies, I used Maizena, sugar, butter, an egg, vanilla sugar, and colorful sprinkles. Start with creaming the butter, and it helps if the butter is at a room temperature. Gradually add sugar and vanilla sugar. Once everything has mixed well, add the egg. Mix until you have a nice and smooth batter. Then gradually add Maizena. And Maizena is basically cornstarch, and Maizena is actually the brand name. Mix the dough until it starts to clump like you see here. Then knead it until you get one solid dough. Then use your fingers to flatten the dough balls. And to give the cookies their signature look, take a fork, dip the fork in Maizena to avoid it from sticking to the dough, and press it into the dough. Then wet the cookies with a tiny bit of water, but be careful to not overdo it. And you can also skip this and just put the sprinkles on top, but I like to do this because I find that it helps the sprinkles to adhere to the cookies a bit better. Bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. They're not supposed to brown, so be careful to not overcook them. If you like this video, you might also like my fried plantain fritter recipe. And if you're more of a baker with a sweet tooth, you might enjoy this shortbread recipe. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.